If incoming calls are not showing on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. First, we want to go to settings. Over here, we need to choose sound and vibration. Scroll down again to go to do not disturb and make sure that do not disturb is enabled. If it's enabled, then you won't be notified about incoming calls and notifications as well. But also you might have the automatic DND mode activated, which based on the schedule. So in my case, I have one, so I can turn it off as well, so that the DND mode is not activated again when the schedule turns it on. Now, if the DND mode was not the reason why incoming calls are not showing, then the next thing that you can do is go to apps in the settings. And first what you need to do is tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and you want to show all apps. You want to make sure that all apps are shown, even those system apps. And then we can search apps, and we're gonna start by typing call, and we want to go to manage calls. Over here we want to force stop and clear data. We want to clear all data, press OK. Then we also want to go to app permissions and make sure that these permissions are granted for this app. Then we can go back and let's switch the text to phone. Let's hide the keyboard. We want to go to the phone app. Once again, force stop, clear data, clear all data, press OK. Then go to app permissions, and here are all permissions that we need to have in order to make it work. Most noticeably, the phone permission, the microphone permission, and contacts and call logs. Alright, and then we can also go to phone services and do the same thing. Force stop, clear data, choose clear all data, press OK. App permissions, and then here we have these permissions that should be allowed. And additional permissions, we also have this one here. So this is how it should look like. And after that, once we are done with these apps, we can go back and let's open the phone app, and you should be able to receive incoming calls, hopefully. And that's about it. It is actually quite important to go to the phone app at least once after we did those changes, because sometimes the issue might not be fully solved if we don't do that. And if that didn't help, again, then try to perhaps just restart your phone as the last thing that you can do by yourself. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!